Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I was kind of debating on doing my last Amazon bestsellers video for the year, but then I was like, I kind of want to do the last month of bestsellers because we had that faux Prime Day. Off to a great start. So I thought about doing that, and then I was like, well, I'll definitely do one this month, but I kind of also want to see the bestsellers from Black Friday before I do the bestsellers of the entire year. So let me know what you guys think. I don't know why I'm starting this intro with a full-on questionnaire for y'all, but let me know. Anyway, today we're just gonna go through the past month and see the top 15 best-selling products from my videos. I'm actually pretty interested in this list because I feel like a lot comes from my Instagram this year instead of my YouTube channel. So we'll see what y'all think about this video. Am I okay? No. Let's get started. So starting off very strong with number 15, we have this bag. This I actually reviewed in a Finds and Favorites video. It's kind of the same idea as the canvas tote bag that has been a bestseller for a hot minute, but this one is like a faux leather. I love this one so much more. It's so much more sturdy. It looks way nicer. It comes in a very nice array of colors, and I love the fact that you can wipe it clean. I think out of all the tote bags that I've found on Amazon, this is the best one, and you cannot beat the price. It's under $50. I will definitely be including it in gift guides, and I actually have someone in mind in my own personal life that I'm going to gift this one to. Number 14, I am so glad to see on this list because I cannot shut up about this thing. This is a gifting supplies organizer, and what a better time of year to get this. It's under $20. It is super slim, but it fits so many items. It fits wrapping paper, the big rolls, all the gift bags, even bows and random supplies. I love it so much for someone that is very into hosting, gifting, organizing. I think this is an amazing gift idea, but for yourself if you're also into that, because I used to have gifting supplies kind of in different closets in my house, never in one nice tidy place, and now I do. 13 definitely comes from my Instagram stories because I have not talked about this on my channel. However, I will not shut up about it during the Christmas season because I believe this might be one of the best toys that you can get for a toddler because it's genius. Olivia is obsessed with our fridge. Obsessed. She wants to open it. She's always hanging around that area, and honestly love her so much, but it gets kind of annoying. She gets in the way. So one day I was just thinking about what to get just to distract her from opening the fridge and being in the way, and I got this set of ABC alphabet letters from Amazon. They're magnetic. They have little animals that match the letters, so the S is a little sheep. They're colorful, they're cute, they're extremely big, which is another concern of mine. I didn't want it to be a choking hazard if I got the little 90s ones. So they're big, they're educational. She loves them, and now every time she thinks about coming into the kitchen to do something, opening the fridge, messing things up, she goes straight to those, and she loves picking them up and putting them away. And I just feel like even when she's older, she's gonna play with those. The catch is they're only $11. It's just such a good deal. Like I said, I'm very passionate about these letters. I feel like they're extremely amazing, just everything about them, so I will talk about them again, but very glad a lot of you listened to my Instagram story and already got them. Okay, finally we have something from that Prime Day situation. Number 12 is my white knife set from Cuisinart, I think. They were extremely discounted. I'm talking they were over 60% off. It was something crazy. I think they make a great gift. They make a great staple if you like to cook and you don't want to break the bank getting extremely expensive knives. They're very sharp, the quality's great. I put them in the dishwasher. They wash really well, they stay sharp. I can't say enough good things. It was kind of a flash deal, but they do go up and down in price. I think right now they're on sale for 50% off, which is still pretty good. I would never pay full price for these. They're always on sale. Another one of my recommendations, and this is a staple in my house, the Amazon Basics velvet hangers. They were pretty discounted on Prime Day, which is a very good time of year to get them, either Black Friday, Prime Day, anything like that. You get 20, 50, 100. Try TJ Maxx, Home Goods, all that, Walmart. The best deal for velvet hangers. I don't mean to yell, I just I'm very passionate about this. It's on Amazon. It's these hangers right here. No matter what pack you get, you're still getting the best deal. I would go for the highest one if you're obsessed and addicted to clothes like I am. But they're the best, the quality's great, and just the price point is amazing. So I am currently in the process of filming my under $15 gift guide or gift ideas from Amazon, and I almost forgot to add this to it, so I'm glad it's here. Number 10 is the baseball cap organizers. It's basically this like Velcro thing that you attach to a hanger, and it comes with little clips, and you just put all your hats or baseball caps or whatever. I mostly got this in desperation because I was tired of finding them everywhere, and I love it. I actually gave some, like a pack, to my brother-in-law's last Christmas. I think it makes an amazing stocking stuffer or smaller gift, just because it's like an organization solution that men usually won't use. So if you live with a guy, get it for yourself, girl. Another thing that I forgot to add to my gift guide, look at me, doing well. In my defense, I'm just getting started. Number 9 is this cheese board. I got mine for 20 something dollars 2 years ago. I used it, no joke, like every single day during the holiday season, because it's like the season for a cheese board, you know, like a charcuterie board, if you will. This one has even more things. It's bigger, and it's only $30 right now. Right now, during Prime Day, I think it was like 25, $5 more. It's still a great deal in my eyes. It comes with little chalk labels, so you can like write whatever the cheese is, and then it comes with 4 little cheese cutting utensils, and it's so cute. Great hostess gift, great like older family member gift, newlywed. Just so many people could benefit from having a cheese board, and I'm obsessed with this one. Number 8, Olaplex was 30% off, maybe 20 during that Prime sale. So I'm kind of just grouping all of them in this category in number 8 because they were kind of taking over the whole list, and I was like, I'm not gonna talk about Olaplex for like 5 numbers. So just know, top seller. They rarely go on sale. Even in like the VIB sale, you can only get 20% off. So the fact that they were on sale, all of them across the board during these 2 days, was such a steal. I even picked up things myself. I got another one of the hair oil, by far is my favorite, and then the protein treatment because my hair is always struggling. But a lot of people got the shampoo, the conditioner, and then this hair mask or like leave-in. Let me know what you guys think about it. Should I try it out? I'm always looking for like hair stuff, so let me know if it's good. Number 7 is this forehead thermometer. I think I talked about this like with a burning, raging passion during my finds and favorites, because I cannot believe this is number 7. I mean, I guess I can because it's something that like everyone could benefit from having, but I think like my speech just really like riled y'all up to buy it. It is what we use when Olivia is sick, when we suspect her of having a fever. In my opinion, is very accurate. We've tried it on ourselves. We've tried all the other kinds of thermometers, and when your baby slash toddler is sick, the last thing you want to do is stick up something up their butt. Last resort, honestly. So this just makes it easy, very simple. She actually likes to play with it, so she doesn't even like mind that we're taking her temperature, and it's very inexpensive. So yeah, it is a great thing. Number 6, extremely random. I think I might have had to link it in one of the videos where I talked about my nails because people were asking. It is the nail glue that I use. I'm actually not wearing the fake nails I usually use. I'm trying out like a more expensive, like bougie fake nail. They're called static nails, and these came with their own nail glue, so I can't tell you guys, but usually my fake nails from Amazon that are super cheap, and I'll talk about it in a second, last because of this nail glue. I think the quality of the nails has to do with the lasting ability, but the $1 nail definitely does it for me. Like I said, I've tried a bunch of like more expensive like bougie nails, and their nail glue almost always suck to the point where I can't even reuse them, like even though they're meant to be reused. So if you're looking for a fake nail glue, that one, best one. Number 5 is the Laneige Glowy Lip Balm, I think it's what it's called. It's basically a gloss. I got the peach. I was about to say the grapefruit. No, I think the grapefruit actually was the bestseller technically. Very nice and lightweight. I think it was on sale for like $11. I think that's a great deal. I wouldn't pay $17 for it if I'm being extremely honest. I don't think it's worth it. During the sale, great, and I'm glad I got to try it. Would I repurchase it? Probably not. Okay, number 4 is by far the most shocking one out of this entire list to me, because I don't even know how this made it to this list. I'm staring at one right now. Let me just grab it. This is number 4, the number 4 bestseller. I guess they were like a little bit on sale during the Prime sale. I didn't even talk about that, so I don't know. This is what I've been trying to replace all my outlet plates and my switch plates with, because they're so stunning. I already have them like in the powder room downstairs in Olivia's bathroom, and they're only $15. I know that sounds actually insane of me to say, like only $15, but Anthropologie sells these for way more than $15, and they come in different sizes. Like you can get 3 little switch ones. You can really get it all. It's this really cool company. They make a lot of like cool antique style stuff for your house. So at this point I probably bought like 10 of these and I cannot stop myself. So I'm trying to figure out if I am the person who made them the best sellers, if that's even possible, but I don't think so. I've been buying these since July, so I don't know why I'm talking right now. I just don't understand. Like, tell me please, who bought these? Because I need to know. I need to know how these, I have questions is what I'm trying to say. And here we go. Number 3, I'm not wearing them, so I don't know why I did that, is the fake nails I always wear. I get questions probably in every video that I'm wearing them, like, oh, how do you own nails? Unwell. How do you own? I will tell you why I can't speak English. My best friend has been here, or was here, for like a week, and when I'm around her we only speak Spanish and like Spanglish and very Puerto Rican to each other. So I literally cannot speak English. When I went to give like the murder like conclusion at our party, I was like stumbling with my words, and I was like, y'all, I'm so sorry. Someone take it away, please, because I couldn't do it. So that's why I can't speak English. Thank you so much for coming. That's my life. Whatever. I'm not okay. That's what I'm trying to say. As a surprise to no one, mainly me, number 2 is actually the Stanley Cup Tumbler Thirst Quencher or something. Has the weirdest name in my opinion. The reason why this is on this list, and you might click on the link and you're like, Philo, are your followers insane? Just me. It's because it was normal price for a little over 4 hours during the Prime sale. When I tell you no one has ever clicked a link of mine that much, I was shook to my core. So many people got it, and I'm pretty sure it just happened with my Amazon storefront, not even like my YouTube video, because people just grabbed it so quick that it just sold out in 3 colors within seconds. So it's the number 2 bestseller, and you might be thinking, well, why wouldn't it be the number 1? And I will tell you, the number 1 bestseller for years of Prime Day and Black Friday has consistently been the Crest 3D white strips. Every time. And it's because it only goes on sale like during those 2 times of year on Amazon, and it's like something that I always like push or like recommend consistently, because why get them full price? I think they're so expensive when they're like regular price, and it's just like the best time of year to get them. If you get them then, they'll probably last you those 6 months, and then you can pick it up again the next sale. So every single time, I'm not surprised at all. I'm actually more surprised about the switch plates. Will I shut up about it? No. Than I am about anything else. So those are the top 15 best-selling products for the past month. Like I said in the intro, I'm trying to figure out how many like bestsellers to do. I love doing these videos. I actually find them extremely interesting, but I want to hear from y'all. So do y'all want to see bestsellers from my gift guides? Do you want to see bestsellers from like Black Friday, do you want to see bestsellers from the entire year? Let me know. I kind of want to do all of them, but we'll see if my daughter, my boss, my queen allows me to do this. So let me know which one y'all are most interested in seeing. Definitely the year-round one, or like the year recap, will be like done for sure, but let me know about the rest. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, thank you so much for shopping on my links, trusting my recommendations. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one. Bye.